Hi, this video is just an update from the replacement tarantula that arrived dead yesterday. So I decided to go through the Spidershop instead and just get a refund, and that's just arrived today. So I had to pay a little bit extra for it, but you see the difference with how that's packaged. I've kept it nice and snug and it's arrived fine. Ignore the book, I just ordered that as well from a different place. Okay. Keep trying to buy your way out of there. Okay, so I'm going to drop a food item in there. I like feeding them on the first day because that ensures that they're eating and they've arrived healthy. And they say that you shouldn't feed them until a couple of days afterwards, but I don't think there's any problem with that. There's a nice big fat one. She's already eaten 2 crickets before this. Once I start moving, she'll have that. Tiny little pain in the ass. Come on. She's in the perfect position to kill it. Oh. Here we go. Oh, yeah, she was hungry. Well, that took a while, but that was worth the wait. They say you can handle red zebras. They're a bit like a Chilean rose, but I don't think I'm going to handle this until I know exactly what its temperament's like. It's not a bad size, about 4 inches, maybe just a bit over that. I expect that it will reach a similar size of about 5 inches. Okay then, well, that'll be Thanks.